Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to edit a video. So as you can see right here, I am editing my gross tutorials video that will go up on my channel. And I think that if you... Excuse me. I need water. Much better. In my tutorial, I'm going to show you the basics of how to start with Adobe Photoshop. I mean, Premiere. So here you can see that I am editing my video that will go up soon, which will have funny stuff on it. So here, I will show you what to do. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to put in your files. Oh, excuse me. So you're gonna want to put your files in here. And then I'm just gonna like put this, so where is it? So right here, you want to put in that, and then like it's gonna be there. And one thing I can do is say I go on this part here. Hey, video. See, that part was pretty funny, am I right, guys? Anyway, okay, so one thing I can do is I can go to my file, and then I can drag and put a title sequence that says something like, how about haha funny, and then I will put in my favorite text, which is this one, and then it will say like, subscribe to what was the name of it? Curtain green tint on my room for a free iPhone, say 3. Haha, that's pretty funny. Excuse me. So right now I want to put in the funny. I can just drag it right here. And then it'll be like, haha, funny. But you don't want that, because this by itself is boring. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry if I made anybody feel sick, but I'm just having a tutorial. So, if you want it to move around, you can... Yeah. Well, you can move it around like this. This is the Y, and this is the Z. And you can move it like, whoa, that's pretty big. Or like, whoa, I can move it like this. But you can actually make it move. So I can click that, and then I can move this down here and add like, boom. Ooh, I want it to be there. And I want it, oops, gotta turn that on, haha, funny. And then I do that. And then it's like, whoa, it rotated. And then I can move it down there and like move it so that it's like, ooh, I'm moving more. So let's see that. Okay. A video behind it. So, hey, that's pretty funny. Gotta put in my funnies. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next video. Excuse me.